Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to hide applications on your iPhone. So it's not that difficult actually, and then hiding them is as easy as hiding them. So for example, I don't really like the Apple TV application, but I don't want to uninstall this application from my phone. I just wanted to hide it. We have to hold our finger on this application, either here will be removed from home screen, or we have to hold our finger on the background, here, tap this minus icon, but we have to of course tap that, and here remove from home screen. Now our application is hidden and we are all done. To unhide our application and to get it back, we have to now find our Apple TV application in the Apple library, hold our finger on it, and move it straight to the home screen back again. As I remember, it was here. And that's how it works. Goodbye.